robotic project, and my project name is IR sensor based street light. When an object crosses the sensor, the street light will glow because it interrupts the IR rays from the sensor. We can consume lot of electricity from this method. I have used 2 IR sensors, 2 LED lights, 6 female to male jumper wire, 2 male to male jumper. Now you are seeing how I did this connection. If you like my video, do subscribe, share with your friends. Thank you. Bye bye. Let's meet you in another video.